What's going on, guys? Film me. We're gonna be holding up the sign that says Honk if you love pizza to people, and we're gonna try to get some lunch. There's 2 cars at the gate. Let's go.
They don't like pizza? Yeah, they hung! Alright, we got one more. They don't love pizza? Yeah! Oh, that's the same guy! Yeah.
Do you love
Pizza?
Do you love pizza?
Then honk.
Honk. Alright,
you.
that works.
Oh, that's the same guy that didn't honk. Yeah! He honked! Thank you, black car.
Yo,
Honk if you love pizza! Yeah!
Yo, they're Snapchat.
I know! We're gonna be a Snapchat.
Dude,
I swear they're gonna come back.
alright guys, I'm gonna end the video right here. That was awesome. I'm gonna get my brother to edit this, so it should be uploaded by tomorrow. So see you guys tomorrow. You're awesome, you're amazing, you're big.